Is your PayPal account suddenly frozen, leaving you unable to send or receive money? Account limitations are a common frustration for PayPal users, but don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to identify why you're limited and how to remove those restrictions. First, log into your PayPal account on your dashboard. Look for a notification about account limitations or navigate directly to the Resolution Center. This is usually found at the bottom of your account summary or in the account settings. The Resolution Center will clearly list the reasons for your limitations. This could be anything from needing to confirm your identity, provide proof of address, or answer questions about specific transactions. Pay close attention to each requirement listed. Now, gather the necessary documentation. This often includes a governmentist photo ID like a driver's license or passport, a recent utility bill or bank statement to confirm your address, and potentially invoices or receipts related to recent transactions. Make sure these documents are clear, legible, and match the information on your PayPal account. Next, carefully upload the requested documents through the Resolution Center. Follow PayPal's instructions for file types and size limits. You might also need to answer specific questions related to your account activity, so be honest and thorough in your responses. After submitting the required information, patiently wait for PayPal to review your case. This can take a few days or even a week. You can check the status of your request in the Resolution Center. Once PayPal has reviewed your information and is satisfied, the limitations on your account should be lifted. You will receive a confirmation email, and your account will return to full functionality. If your limitations persist, contact PayPal support directly for further assistance.